Hey guys, I'm here today with Jose Serpa. He's a financial professional here in Calgary. Together we have assisted families in starting to save for their down payment. Thank you, Jose, for joining us today.
Thank you, Carla, for having me.
So one of the questions that I get asked most frequently is, how do you start saving for the down payment? A lot of people think that it's an overwhelming task, that they don't know where to get started. And I wanted to reach out to Jose today for him to give us some advice on what advice do you give to your clients to start saving for a goal for saving?
Well, that's a great question, Carla. And actually, the first step is obviously having a goal, right? I mean, you need to know exactly how much you need to save. And at this point, your mortgage agent and your real estate agent have helped you to find a home of your dreams. Now you got a tangible goal to work towards, right? And it needs to cover for the down payment and the closing costs as well. Now, the second step, Carla, is doing a cash flow analysis. And this step is so important because it takes in consideration how much money comes in the household and how much money we spend. And that way, along the way, we're able to find any leaks or overspending. And when we do that, we're able to fix it. So we're able to allocate more money into our down payment savings. Does that make sense?
That makes sense, yes. It's very important to do that. And how long does this process take?
Actually, it takes about an hour or two. And on average, we're able to find families between $300 and $600 they didn't know they had.
Definitely it's worth to sit down for 1 to 2 hours, which is something that we should all be doing anyways on a yearly basis, reviewing our finances, and I think that's important.
Okay, so the third step would be finding the right vehicle, Carla, because, seriously, there's so many strategies out there, and, finding the right advice would save you time and money. And the fourth step would be implementing immediately, right? And with discipline. And how do we achieve that, Carla? I mean, it's so simple, right? There's something called automatic withdrawals from your bank account to your investment account or savings account for your down payment. And that way you don't even see the money, like it's seamless. I mean, the money comes in and out. There's no emotional attachment to that, and you're ensuring that you're building that discipline, right? That you feel you couldn't get or achieve otherwise, right?
I totally understand. I think it's better if you set that up right after your pay deposit, like your deposit, and that way you don't touch the money. You don't go spend it, and you know that you've put a certain amount of money away towards your dream, which is very achievable. I know that a lot of us don't know where to get started, and they think it's something very complicated, but just setting up these habits and these discipline, like you said, it's very important. So.
And especially when we're talking about a big goal, like buying your home, your dream home, you got to think about what's the price you're gonna pay, right? You got to pay yourself first if you want to achieve that big goal for yourself and your family.
Thank you, Jose, for joining us today. I think it's very important that we have these conversations with our viewers. Please do comment below if you have any other questions that we can answer in a different video. We are definitely eager to talk to you, so feel free to reach out.